Duck Sound, Sitting Duck, Sitting Duck, Sitting Ducks. Jordan 13, Court Purple, Sitting Ducks. They are sitting ducks. Me and my son, we was in Baybrook Mall.
Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang,
Gucci gang. Spread their racks on new chain. Yeah.
We went to Shoe Palace, seen them on the shelf. Finish Line, seen them on the shelf. And Champs, seen them on the shelf. Sitting Ducks. I don't regret the purchase. They cool, they alright. I'm not a 13s guy, but let's do an unboxing real quick. Alright, so, I mean, again, I'm not a 13s guy. I used to be big on purple back in the day, but not now. But that's how they look. Take them out the box. Take both of them out the box. Just cause they sitting ducks don't mean I don't like them. Like I said, I'm not a 13s guy, but they cool. They cool. I'm not gonna sell these. I'm gonna keep them, put them in a collection. You know, shout out to the people that got them. And the resale value ain't high, but I think later on it's gonna go up sky high one day.